Have you ever felt like therapy is too serious or intimidating? What if there was a way to prepare for therapy with humor and engagement? Well, today we have a special guest who has revolutionized the therapy preparation process with an innovative and fun approach. Jason, welcome back to the show.
Awesome, great to be here.
We always love having you here. You bring such a smile to our face. Talk to us about pre-therapy. What makes it so unique and engaging for those involved?
So first of all, pre-therapy's never been done before.
Okay.
Think of a baseball game. They do pre-game. Think about a test. You do pre-test. And now pre-therapy gets you ready for therapy. So mentally, emotionally gets you ready for that experience to have a better experience in therapy, and it doesn't last as long. So it's very innovative to be able to help you through the process and break the mental health stigma.
Breaking the mental health stigma is something that is so incredibly important to me. Where did you get the idea for pre-therapy? Where did that come about?
So less than a year ago, I get a call from the principal and he says, your kid is getting suspended. And I was thinking, hopeless as a parent and as a therapist that has all the tools to help, I couldn't do anything to help my son. So we quickly asked around to get him into therapy, and I found a long waiting list of 8 to 10 weeks to get my son in.
That seems like forever.
Yeah, I didn't want to watch my son suffering, so I thought something needs to be done to help parents, to help people that are struggling in my same spot. And that's why, and that's what caused pre-therapy to be inspired and created.
All right, so let's get a little personal here. Do you have a story that you can give us that explains the success of pre-therapy?
So pre-therapy, so when we started this, we had a lady that reached out and says, my 11-year-old daughter had just attempted suicide. And our heart just broke, and she said, can pre-therapy help? So we got her a box, and she sent us back an email that says, Jason, our relationship, our communication, we've been able to smile and laugh again, and it's brought us closer as a family. And it's stories like that that makes this so worthwhile to be able to help. There's another mom that reached out to us that said, Jason, I don't know what it's like to smile and be happy again. My kids smile, my husband smiles. And then again, she reached out and says, thank you for allowing me to do this. Now my family and my husband were able to get together, we're able to laugh and enjoy life again.
You are simply changing and saving lives. You are doing such a great work. Really fast, we're almost out of time. What is inside these therapy boxes?
So what's awesome is we've done an assessment that you fill it out and you find out where you're deficient at, whether it be emotional, social, intellectual, physical, and then it creates a path to where you need to go. And these little cards right here are your daily tasks to be able to help you through this. So really, it's like choose your own adventure.
I love
depending
that.
on where you're struggling with.
Oh, you are doing, this is absolutely so amazing, so brilliant. You have a special offer for our viewers. What is it?
It's if you go in and add the promo code of Fresh Living, we'll give you $100 off to be able to get you started on your journey.
Perfect, Jason. And for more information, you can check out the website at the bottom of your screen. Jason, thank you again for coming in.
I love it. Thank you.